Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a 3D animation video with an AI tool. I'm going to tell you the name of the AI tool, so just take glued to the video till the end. So all you need to do is download the AI tool from Play Store. Then you have an interface like this. So click on create video. So you are going to click on this particular one to select scenes. So you can select your scene from this free version we have here. So you can select from this place. So let's say I want to select this lounge area. No, I just want to make something. Okay, let's select this kitchen. So when you click on it, it will download. Just on this place, you can see it's loading. Then you now click on it to select it. Okay, so we have the scene. Look at this place now. It's telling us no actor. So the next thing we should do is click on an actor. For us to click on an actor, we can select these free ones. Anyone that is like this is free, but this one that is showing cats is not free, is the pro version. So here is another free one. Here is another free one. So you have free ones to use. At the same time, you can also create your own character by clicking on create character. Okay, do you want your character to be a male or female? Now I want a female character. I will select the shape of the head. So this is the shape of the head I want to select. Can we see that? Okay, then I want to select the hair. I love this one. Let it download. Can you see? Since it's a female, I might not need this one, but if you are selecting for a male, you might need any of these ones. So I want to choose I. Now I'm customizing my character with these things here. Can we see these things here? That's what I'm using to customize my character. So I want to select this one. Then I want to change the clothes of my character. All those ones that have cats, you can't use them. It's only those that are free you can use. Okay, let's see. I want to go for this one. Very good. Let's see trouser or skirts, anyone depending on your choice. Since it's a female, you can go for skirts. Let's pick this skirt. Okay, you can decide to change the shoe or leave the shoe the way it is. Alright, I do not need this particular one. You can change the name, but I will leave it as, okay, let me change the name to Tope. Okay, sorry, because you are using the free version, at times adverts will just come in. Just wait for it to finish and skip it away. Okay, so close the advert. Then we continue with our, so here is Tope that we have just created. So that's the actor I'm going to choose. Now from here now, you are to click here to give Tope a position. Okay, so do you want Tope to be at the door? You can just try it. Do you want her to be on the chair, or to the kitchen counter, or to the kitchen right, or table? So I think I want chair. Alright, I want Tope to be here. So I can add another actor. So this time I'm going to pick this Scott. So that's how to add your character. But because we are using the free version, you won't be able to change scenes. So for this particular video, I'll be using just this particular kitchen scene. If you want more, you may need to save this video, then come back again, pick another scene, do another video, then you use maybe CapCut or InShot to join the videos together for conversations. Now I have two characters. I want Scott to be by the table. Okay, so both of them are sitting down now. Now if I want them to talk, I'll click on this one. Can we see that? So if I click on it, it will ask me to choose an actor, the actor that wants to talk. So now I'm going to choose Scott first. Can you see? So I'll write the dialogue. Hello. Good morning. Okay, so I'll just look at this place. I want to give it an expression. The expression that Scott will exhibit. So I'll just click here. Check it from the beginning. Is he angry? Is he coughing? Is he dancing? Let's see dancing. Can you see? Let's check hands up. Let's check look right. Okay, let's see sad. Let's see surprised. Let's see understanding. Let's see tired. Let's see winking. So depending on what the message you are trying to pass across, that's what will determine what you will be picking from this side. Okay, so I want to go over this again to make Tope speak. So I'm going to pick Tope now. Good morning, sir. How was your night? So with this, I can leave it as neutral. I can leave it as maybe bored. Yes. So when I am done with, if I want Scott to reply, I'll come back here again. I'll pick Scott again and say, my night was great. And yours? Then Scott Tope will reply again. I'll pick Tope. My night was awesome. Thanks. So if I am done with the conversation, remember I said I can't change the scene. So if I'm done with it, I'll just come here to download it. But in case you want to write some text, let me show you. what I clicked on. In case you want to write some text, you can click on this capital letter A. If you want the text to be silent, if you want Tope to speak or Scott, you just type it here. But for this particular video, I will just say it was a cloudy day, or sorry, cloudy night. Okay, so I can give it color. Let's add color to it. Let's say red. Done. And where do I want it? The alignment. Do I want it by the side? Do I want it in the middle or to this side? Whatever. Done. Okay. The words, I want it as white. Okay. Then do I want to add music? Happy music or sad music? Let's say I want happy music. I just want it in the background. Okay. So when I'm done with everything, you can play it to check the preview. Start from the first person that spoke and play.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. How was your night?
My night was great. And yours?
My night was awesome. Thanks.
Okay, can we see that? So when we are done with everything we want to do, let me quickly show you this. See this place, that is the watermark for Plotagon, and so you will need to remove it with Canva. I've made a video about how to remove watermark from your video with Canva. You can just get that in the description of this video to remove the watermark. So the next thing we want to do now is to click on this place so as to download this video. You click on save. If you want it with subtitle, you will use export with subtitle. But if you don't want it with subtitle, you will click export without subtitle. But for this particular video, I want it with what? Subtitle. And so I'm going to click that, and it's rendering. When it gets to 100%, it's going to save automatically into my gallery. Then I can have access to it there. So in case you want to join it to another video using CapCut, you can go ahead to do that after downloading. Whether you want to remove the watermark, you can then go ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe if you are new here, then click on done. So